Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today I will mainly talk about the exam and the experimental environment of CCIE EI. The experimental exams of CCIE are mainly include Module 1 and Module 2. The Module 1 part is design, all of which are multiple choice questions. The total duration of the test is 3 hours, which is similar to your written test. The Module 2 part is DOO, and the total duration of the exam is 5 hours. It's mainly the experimental questions that will be done after the design is submitted. DOO means the first letter is D, deploy, the second letter is O, operate, and the third one is optimize. But it doesn't matter, it's just a name. Simply understand is to do configuration. DOO includes 3 parts. Name is section 1, 2, and section 3. It provides you with a lot of needs and then use all the techniques you have learned to solve its problems. Section 1 main technologies include routing protocols and switch technologies like VLAN, spanning tree, and standby protocols is central. And the Section 2 main technologies is software-defined network and SD-WAN. The entire Section 2 practice is used the DNA Center and 4 Catalyst 9000 series physical switches. The Section 3 main technology include a little pattern automation. That's all. I hope can help you. See you again, everyone.